In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do jump cut in CapCut. A jump cut is a quick way to tighten your video by removing pauses, filler words, or mistakes, while keeping the viewer's attention with a subtle visual change between clips. It's perfect for tutorials, talking head content, or anything that needs energy and pace. Start by opening CapCut. Once you're in the editor, you'll see the timeline at the bottom and the preview window above. Make sure you're working in the correct aspect ratio for where your video will be viewed, like 16:9 for YouTube. Keeping your project organized from the start helps you move faster as you edit. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can import your main clip and place it on the primary track. If your footage is long, don't worry. The jump cut technique is designed to streamline it. Play through the clip once to get a feel for where your pauses or stumbles happen. It helps to zoom into the timeline so you can make precise cuts, especially around breaths or transitions between sentences. Now split the video where you want the jump to happen. Move the playhead to the exact frame where the pause or mistake begins, then use the split tool. Play ahead to where you want the speaking to resume and make another split. This creates a separate segment you can tighten. The goal is to remove the dead space so the dialogue flows naturally. Keep your cuts close to natural pauses in speech. This makes the jump feel intentional rather than jarring. With the clip split, select the second segment and adjust its scale slightly. Increasing the scale by a small amount, like 3 to 8%, adds a subtle zoom that disguises the cut and makes it feel deliberate. Keep an eye on framing. Maintain consistent headroom and don't crop out important details. If your subject is off-center, consider a tiny horizontal or vertical shift to keep the composition balanced. The adjustment should be just enough to signal a new beat without distracting the viewer. Finally, preview the video. Play through the cut in real time and listen closely to the audio. If the jump feels too harsh, try nudging the cut by a frame or two, or adjust the scale difference slightly. Consistency is key. Repeat the same approach for other pauses so the edit feels cohesive throughout. When the pacing feels tight and the transitions look clean, you've created a polished jump cut in CapCut. Thanks for watching and enjoy your smoother, faster edits.